Our today's topic is food security. Food security means availability, accessibility, and affordability of food of all people at all times. It depends on the public distribution system PDS, government vigilance, and action at times when this security is threatened. Food security has following dimensions. Availability of food means food production within the country. Food imports and previous year stock is stored in government granaries. Accessibility means food is within reach of every person. Affordability implied that a person has enough money to buy sufficient nutritious and safe food to meet one's dietary needs. The next question comes that why is food security? Why food security? The reason is overpopulation. The population of India is increasing at very fast rate, so the food security is necessary. Reduction in reduction in net sown area under cereals. There has been a gradual shift from cultivation of food crops to cultivation of fruits, vegetables, oilseeds, and other cash crops. This has led to the reduction in net sown area under cereals, millets, and pulses. The other reason is hoarding and black marketing. Hoarding and black marketing. There is a continuous tendency on the part of traders in India to hoard food grains and to ex- accentuate the shortage of food grains in order to push up the prices for reaping extraordinary profit. Reduction of land under cultivation. The use of more and more land for construction of factories, warehouses, and shelters has reduced the land under cultivation. Corrupt administrative practices. The government has imposed various measures like price control, rationing, zoning, surprise checks, etc. But as the administrative machinery in India is totally corrupt, these measures fail to reap any benefit to the general masses of the country. Natural calamities. Natural calamities like earthquake, drought, flood, tsunami, famine, etc. can also adversely affect the food security of the country. How is Food security affected. How is food security affected during a calamity? Due to natural calamity, total production of food grains decreases and creates a shortage of food, and if calamity happens in a very widespread area or stretched over a longer time period, it may cause of situation of starvation and famine and death. Therefore, food security is needed in a country to ensure food at all times. Why are food insecure? In India, the worst affected groups are landless people with little or no land to depend upon. Traditional artisans, providers of traditional services, petty self-employed workers, and destitute including beggars. In the urban areas, the food insecure families are those whose working members are in all paid occupation and casual labor market and regional were seasonal with very low wages. The social composition, along with the inability to buy food, also plays a role in food insecurity. The SCs, STs, and some sections of OBC who have either poor land base or very low land productivity are prone to food insecurity. Migrated people of natural disasters, a high incidence of malnutrition prevails among women, which states are more food insecure. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, parts of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra account for largest number of food insecure people in the country. Hunger. Hunger is another aspect indicating food insecurity. It is not just an expression of poverty, it brings about poverty. Seasonal hunger is related to cycle of food growing and harvesting. During off season, prices of food grain become high or there can be shortage of food grains and leads to seasonal hunger. Chronic hunger is consequence of diets persistently indicate it term in term of quality or quantity. The type of hunger exists when a person is unable to get work for the entire year. India is aiming at self sufficiency in food, grains since independence. After independence, India adopted to achieve self sufficiency in food grains and adopted a new strategy in agriculture which resulted in the Green Revolution, especially in the production of wheat and rice. Because of Green Revolution, there was an increase in the production of wheat and rice. The highest growth was achieved in Punjab and Haryana. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh recorded significant increase in rice yield. The increase in the production built buffer stock and it led to food security. Food security in India. The availability of food grains at the country level has further been ensured with a carefully designed food security system. This system has two components, buffer stock and public distribution system. What is buffer stock? Surplus production of wheat and rice purchased by FCI from the farmers immediately after harvesting of these crops. The stocks are released for sale through the fair price shops. The principal objective of buffer stock is to maintain stability in the prices of food grains. If there is a bumper crop, by, by guaranteeing to purchase crops at a pre-announced price, the government ensures that price of wheat does not crash and farmers' interests are protected. If there is a crop deficit, in this situation, wheat would be released from the buffer stock. It would be made available for sale in the market. Supply of wheat would increase and price could come down. Thus, buffer stocks help to protect the interest of both producers and consumers. Public distribution The the food procured by the FCI is distributed through government regulated ration shops among the poorer section of the society. This is called the public distribution system. Ration shops are now present in most localities, villages, towns, and cities. Ration shops, also known as fair price shops, keep stock of food grains, sugar, kerosene, and cooking oil. History of rationing. It was introduced in 1940s against the backdrop of the Bengal famine. It is revived during 1960s. In the mid 1970s, three important food intervention programs were introduced as poverty levels reported high. Public distribution system for food grains. Second, Integrated Child Development Services 1975. Third, Food for Work Program 1977 and 78. At present, poverty alleviation programs mostly in rural areas. Some programs such as PDS or midday meal, etc. Current states PDS. In 1920, in 1992, revamped public distribution system. Second, targeted public distribution system. Third, two special schemes in 2000, Antyodaya Anna Yojana, Annapurna and Annapurna scheme. National Food for Work program. Launched on November 14, 2004 in 150 most backward districts of the country with the objective of intensifying the generation of supplementary wage employment. The program is open to all rural poor who are in need of wage employment and desire to do manual unskilled work. For 2004 and 5, rupees 2020 crore have been allocated for the program in addition to 20 lakh tons of food grains. Antyodaya Anna Yojana. Launched in December 2000, 1 crore of the poorest among the BPL families covered under the targeted public distribution system were identified by state rural development department through a BPL survey. April 2002, the scheme has been further expanded by 50 lakh families in June 2003, and in August 2004 and 2 crore families have been covered under the Antyodaya Anna Yojana. Achievements of PDS. This is the most effective instrument of government policy over the years in stabilizing prices and making food available to consumers at affordable prices. Increase in food grain production and provided income security to farmers in certain regions. Problems associated with PDS. Problems associated with public distribution system. There is a general consensus that high level of buffer stocks of food grains is very undesirable and can be wasteful. The increased food grains procurement at enhanced MSP is the result of the pressure exerted by leading food grain producing states. Public distribution system dealers are sometimes found restoring to male practices like diverting the grains to open market to get better margin, selling poor quality grains at ration shops. Role of cooperation role of cooperatives sorry in food security. The cooperatives are also playing important role in food security in India, especially in the southern and western parts of the country, and set up shops to sell low priced goods to poor people. In Delhi, Mother Dairy that provides milk and vegetables. In Gujarat, Amul that provides milk. In Maharashtra, Academy of Development Science setting up grain banks in different regions. That is all about food security.